Welcome back to another tutorial of Photoshop. Today we will going to learn 3D pop-out effect. Bring the icon image. Give it a drop shadow effect. Select the layer, right-click and rasterize layer. Select like this, right-click, go to fill and click OK. Press U for rectangular shape. If your shape also looks like this, just go to Properties and drag like this for the perfect shape. Click on Stroke, click on the No Stroke icon, and the fill color will be gray. Give it a drop shadow effect. Bring the image, resize it, lower the opacity, adjust the image, bring the opacity to normal. Right, click and create clipping mask. Duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl+J. Go to the Quick Selection tool, select a subject and create a layer mask. Click on Brush Opacity 100, Flow 100, Smoothing 100, Brush Hardness 100%. Erase like this. For background color, follow the process. See you soon with another cool video.